What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. And guys, today in this video we are going to show you guys how to get the Orion Money airdrop. So guys, if you are wanting to get this airdrop, you need to have Terra Luna staked. Guys, that's all you got to do, and you got to stake it to the Orion validator. I'll explain it how to do it. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into this and let's talk about it. So first off, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do three things for me. Like, subscribe, bell button. Leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And yeah, we have the Ethereum junk going on as well. The address is in the description below. If you want to participate in that, basically what it is any wallet addresses that randomly show up in that wallet, they will automatically get randomly selected to earn all the Ethereum that is in that wallet. So guys, let's go and get into this video. Let's talk about it. And those giveaways are going to happen at the end of the month, guys, FYI. Orion Money. What is it? Well, it's an airdrop, first off. And the token is going to be a governance token. This is why I'm super bullish on the Terra Luna ecosystem. It's not like a regular stable coin or algorithmic stablecoin that doesn't have anything that has a use case for it. This actually has a whole entire synthetic stock market behind it. It has a savings account behind it, and now it's going to have Orion Money, guys. This is fire. So this allows boosted tiers of APY for Orion holdings. Let me show you guys a quick view of the app, how this app works. So first off, this is on the Ethereum chain. It will be launching on the Terra chain as well, so keep that in mind. I know gas fees are, oh man, this is garbage, forget this. Well, anyways, just take it easy. It's still launching, still got some stuff going, but still it's somewhat in beta mode, so don't throw a bunch of money at it, but they will reward users for playing around and depositing with airdrop. So let me show you a little bit how this works, and I'll explain it on the back end, but really all you got to do is say deposit. You'll be like, I'll do deposit 25%. You hit deposit, and then you're going to confirm the transaction. The reason I'm showing you the transaction is to show you how much the gas fees are. They are paid in ETH, so this is like $5 for the approval, and the initial transfer is probably going to cost you about $10 or about $15 at time of recording, depending on how complex the actual contracts are. So that's really how you deposit into the protocol. That's it. And now you're asking yourself, how are they getting these rates? Well, what they do is they actually exchange your USDC, Binance US, or Binance USD, any of the other tokens, and they swap it for UST. So it explains how it works. And I know you're seeing a different rate, and you're like, what the pants? Okay, why is it 12% for DAI and 15% for UST? Well, there are fees involved because it's going straight from Terra bridge, or from Ethereum to Terra, and there is a bridge fee. They have a 0.1% of the total amount on the bridge. So do keep that in mind, guys. That's one of those things you got to be aware of with those fees. And yes, you have to be aware of the gas fees on the Ethereum network. So this isn't something that's like, hey, I'm going to deposit $10, because your gas fee is going to be way more than that. This is probably, I would say at least $1,000, and depending on how long you're looking to keep it, you can still do something like $500, but you just have to keep it longer. Just thinking about the ratios, because you have the gas fees. So keep that in mind. And the other fees they'll have is exchange fees and slippage. So that's another thing you can keep in mind. I'll leave a link in the description below for all the fees, gas fees, like I explained. And this explains how the deposit will be. So deposit is gas fees less than $2 to approve the transfer. I showed you it's about $5 actually, because gas fees are a little bit higher right now. And so it looks like the contract is somewhat complex, but not super complex. So your gas fee as of recording today would probably cost you about $18, $19. And then you have the AMM commission for $5,000, like the slippage, it's going to cost you $5. So on the Terra swap, not crazy at all. And then you have the interchange fees. So the interchange fees are going to be another about $5 or 0.1% if you're doing $5,000. If you're doing $1,000, it'll be $1. So you guys can keep that in mind as well. So a little bit how the Anchor protocol works. As you guys can see, if you go to the borrow section, people are having to pay 15.71% to borrow. Now you're like, well, they would never borrow that. Well, actually they do, because they're getting rewarded 180% in Anchor tokens. So they're getting incentivized to get a loan. And when you get a loan, that feeds the ecosystem, and that allows for higher APYs. And it kind of explains it here as well. So it shows how they do that. And if you look into the white paper of Anchor, this kind of gives a quick layout of the staking rewards and the reward distribution mechanism. So you got the UST borrower and the lender. So it's a give and take ecosystem. So keep that in mind. So even then, after the Anchor liquidity mining program is over, in my opinion, it'll still stay somewhat high because they will still have other incentives for doing that, because you'll still get a pretty high APY on UST. I mean, just think about it. You can go to like Ethereum DApps, and even on Aave, on Polygon, the most you're going to get with stables is like 4%, 5%. I mean, that's like tops, and that's still killer. Guys, we're so spoiled, especially in crypto. I mean, go to a bank and you're lucky to get 0.00001%. That's if they pay you anything. Another thing people are going to be asking about is withdrawals. This is going between two different chains, so it may be a little bit slower. So give it some time. Give it up to 20 minutes. If it doesn't go through after 20 minutes, after the confirmations on the Ethereum chain, then you can go nuts and ham, scream, yell, do whatever you want to do, and get it out. It'll be there eventually. Calm down. Some people will get their money and be like, bro, I'm short. They shorted me. Well, dude, you obviously didn't read the white paper. You obviously didn't read how it works, especially the disclaimer when you start. It gives you a disclaimer and says, this is how it works. Be aware of the fees. And people won't read still. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and show you a overview. This is different from Anchor Protocol, because Anchor Protocol, you can only earn money on UST. Orion actually allows you to earn money on these different stables. Now you're asking yourself, won't that take away from the ecosystem though? No, it won't, because it's turning your DAI, Tether, USDC, and Binance coin or Orion tokens into UST. So they're making the swap for you on the back end, and they're depositing it over in Anchor. So it's actually incentivizing more people to get UST. And here's the Twitter post where it talks about the airdrops. Here are the different tiers. 1 for all Luna stakers, 2 for the Orion validator and delegators, and 3 for the early users or Orion DApp users on Terra. So in order to do this, my assumption is when you get the airdrop, you have to stake this. And when you stake it, you'll probably get an additional airdrop. Stay tuned to the channel. I'll keep you guys updated. I love the Terra Luna ecosystem. This is what I do. All right, so I'm just going to show you the rules. All you got to do, it's super easy. If you already got some Terra Luna, just go to Terra Station. And as long as you guys have the Terra wallet, you go ahead and connect that. If you don't have that already, all you got to do is download that on the Google Play Store, or you can download it straight on the Terra Station website, and you can have it. Or you can just save your key store files and do connect, and you can access with Ledger or download Terra Station right there. Super easy to do. You look for the Orion Money validator, and you can delegate here. If you're like, nah, bruh, I don't want to do that, that's fine. You can delegate to any of these guys, and you still get a airdrop, but it's not a double airdrop. So if you're staking here and on Orion, you are going to be getting both. So keep that in mind. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you guys do 3 things: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below in the description, and we'll automatically throw you in that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And yes, guys, as always, we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 23, verses 26. My son, give me your heart, and let your eyes delight in my ways. For an adulterous woman is a deep pit, and a wayward wife is a narrow well. Like a bandit, she lies in wait and multiplies the unfaithful among men. Dude, that is brutal. Guys, only pick one. Make sure it's the right one. And of course, guys, gotta say thanks to the patrons: Scott Dalman, Tariq Lou, TL King, and JP. PJ. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bam, bam. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it. And of course, guys, gotta say thanks to the patrons: Skybot, Dalman, Tariq Lou, TL King, and JP PJ Dogs. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb bomb. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.